Welcome to this cleansing and enlivening meditation with affirmations for a healthy sacral chakra. Make sure you are sitting upright with your shoulders down and back, and an alertness to your body. This will minimize distracting thoughts or drowsiness. Close your eyes and inwardly look down. This has the effect of taking you out of your mind and into your body, and will also support you to focus on your sacral chakra. Breathe a few cycles in your own timing, whilst being aware of sitting on the chair or cushion. Consciously relax on your exhales. This awareness brings you into the present moment, sitting, breathing, alert and present. Keep your awareness fully on your breath, breathing in long and deep so that your belly rises and falls. Now imagine that your breath carries with it vibrant, cleansing white light. You are nourishing yourself with your breath, carrying oxygen, and with the light that carries love. Allow your inhales to fill your body with life, love and light, and set the intention to breathe out physical, emotional and energetic toxins. Next, imagine or intend to connect the energy of your sacral chakra. It is located inside your body, 3 to 4 inches below your navel, in your pelvis. If it helps, visualize a ball of orange energy the size of your fist. You may see or sense that this chakra needs cleansing. With your focus and attention, the light easily flows on your breath to your sacral chakra. With every inhale, the light penetrates and bathes your sacral chakra with love, dislodging any lower energies such as repressed emotions, curbed desires, sexual wounds, and any addictive behaviors. Those that are ready to leave, do so on your exhales. Consciously relax your body and continue to abdominal breathe. allowing the loving white light to fulfill your intention of purifying your sacral chakra. Any odd sensations or discomfort are showing you that you are on track. Allow your breath and the light to flow into these sensations and maintain a light heart of acceptance and release. Take a moment to relax your shoulders and jaw and any holding on in your body. Imagine or sense now a clean, healthy, vibrant orange orb of glowing energy sitting in your pelvis. Take a few moments and some nice long conscious breaths to connect with your vibrant and passionate energy center. Well done. I am going to share some affirmations now. Feel free to repeat these in your own mind or out loud, whilst focusing on your sacral chakra. There will be space in between each affirmation so that you can take time to focus on the statement. If anything feels off, allow it to be present and take your breath and the loving light there. You release with your exhales, and if it feels good, you can blow out through pursed lips. Let's begin. My life is joyous. I am passionate and inspired. I am filled with vitality. I express my version of creativity. I am a sensual being. I allow myself to play like a child. I am comfortable with my body. I can easily express my emotions. I allow my desires to be fulfilled. My sacral chakra is balanced and healthy. And so it is. Come back now to noticing the loving white light within your breath. Consciously breathe it in and allow it to fill you up again, or maybe you just need a top up. Your entire body is filled with breath and light. Your physical body emanates a bright, clean, loving glow. Allow the intelligence of the light, your breath and your body to support you on all levels, physically, emotionally and energetically. Take one more conscious deep breath in and let it out. If you would like to continue meditating, there is a link on your screen to a solar plexus chakra cleansing meditation. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.